Hey everyone, TRG here, and today I'm going to show you how to make the best budgeting system out there. Obviously, everyone has got their own like preference, their own way of doing it, but this method is really awesome, and I really think you're gonna like it. And if you don't know, well, you can skip this video, but if you do, let's go. Okay, so I made an example here. The app that I'm using is Numbers. It's by Apple. There's Google Sheets, there's Microsoft Excel, and all of them are nice, but Apple looks amazing. And it's, if you're not a genius, then this is perfect for you, because I'm also not a genius, so it's fine. Alright, so the first thing I wanted to show you here is I made three examples, which is what you would normally have in a budgeting document. You would have a table for your income, and then you would have a table for your expenses, right? But how do you want to calculate these stuff? Well, in order to calculate, what you need to do is go over here. And then on the top button, you will see a button that says, just looking there, that says Insert. Then you're going to click Sum, and then it will add up everything for you. Same thing for here. You go here, and then you click. Whoopsie, that was the wrong one. You click Sum, and then same thing, it also adds up. Now don't worry about this black thing here. I will explain what this is just now, but this has got a really cool feature. So anyway, the next thing that you may or may not know is that you want to know how much money that you have left after your expenses and everything. So then what you want to do is, you see this table called Money Left Over. Now what you go is, you go here, you go Sum, and then you're going to go here, and now you need to put at the end here a minus, and then you're going to go what was it now? Oh yes, now you're going to go minus, and then here. Sorry, my mind went away from me a second. You see? Now it can show you that you have 3,000 Rand left. Obviously this is just an example, but you get the idea, yeah. Okay, now this is a very like basic, like easy method. But now I'm going to show you guys something really awesome. Okay, so let's just get rid of these for a second, and then I'll show you what. Okay, so now imagine, like, let's say for example you don't get all of this money at the same time, like at the end of the month, or you don't spend everything at the same time, and you only want to put the total here when you only want to put the total there when you get, like, let's say if on the first of the month you get this month, and then on the second month you get this one, and so on, and you decide to buy the TV on the 10th, you have to pay electricity on the month, you buy on the first, everyone pays and buys things at different dates, right? So here's what you're going to do. You are going to, or also, excuse me, looking at a different way, my camera is not on top of the screen. I will sort it out at a later stage though. So what's going to happen, so what you're going to do is you're then going to make another place over here, and let me just move this, let me just move that over a little bit. And now what you want to do is you want to highlight all of these boxes here, go to Cell, and then click on where it says Currency Display Data Format. Click on Currency, and then change it to tick boxes. Yeah, but obviously when you tick it, I mean, it's nice to have a ticking box, but nothing happens. let me just quickly do the same there. So make another thing over here, highlight all of the places here. You don't want to do the first one, well you can, but it doesn't do anything. You don't put one, by the way, here, because there's no need. No. Whoopsie, let me just do that again. Okay, now you click on data format, and then where is it? There we go, tick box. Okay, so now here is where the magic happens. So now you're gonna take this thing over here. Do you see this code? You can maybe write it down. V is a C2 thing. It will work either way. You're gonna change it either way. So what you should do is just highlight that and then copy or Control C. I'll do it here to show you guys as well. And then I'm not Control, sorry, Command. And then now what you want to do is, let's do for the income first. You press the equals button, that opens up this. Now the best way I found to put this in is, what you must do is click on here next to the FX thing and then say convert formula to text in cell. Now you'll be able to write it down. So here's where we can go, to paste this in, and you see, boom. But now obviously we need to tell it where to go. So the blue one, let's see if I remember this correctly. The blue one, you now need to highlight all of the boxes, or purple, whatever. And then this one, you need to highlight these ones. Now let's see if this is correct. And boom, yes, it's correct. But you see it says there, oopsie, sorry, I moved that way. You see it says there 0, right? Well, you know what this means. So now, when you tick a box, it will put 10,000. You see what I mean? It will add it up. So this is very useful. Like if I say that you earn money at a different time, or you earn this later, or whatever. You know what I mean? Yeah. So let's do that the same way. Equals convert to text, copy and paste. I mean, not copy, just paste. Okay, now we take the blue one and we highlight all the tables. And this orange one, that's going to turn to pink, I believe. Okay, and there we go. Same thing. But now what the really cool thing is that when you go here, you can now go the same thing as we did before. To make it a bit easier, let's do it this way. Sum. Let's go income and then minus. There we go. So now let's say we put this over here and then we put this here. You see, it automatically changes whatever we do, and this method has really helped me when I'm doing my budgeting, because if, like, let's say I give myself a goal and I say, okay, on the 10th of this month, for example, I want to buy a TV. Then I'll have a look at my budget as it gets closer to the date, and if I can afford it, I will buy it, and then I will take the TV off. See what I mean? Now, what's also really cool is that if you do go a bit overboard, let's maybe change this amount to 8,000, for example. It will then show minus, which means you can also see when you go off your budget, then you can just untick. Yeah. So anyway, that is what I have to show you guys today. Some little really awesome trick. If you guys would like to see more videos like these, please do let me know. And yeah, thank you guys very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Oopsie, my apologies about that. Anyway, take care.
Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Your support really means so much. If you have any suggestions, then please leave a comment down below and let's have a chat. If you would like to support the Rumble God, then please go to www.beacons.ai/the Rumble God Official. Anyway, thank you very much for watching and have a lovely day.